Hi friends, Mrs. Youssef here. I want to read you a story today about, let's find out what this is. I'm not too sure. It doesn't look quite like a bunny and it doesn't look quite like a bird. The story title is Neither, and it is written and illustrated by Aloud Anderson. Neither. Let's find out. The story cover makes me very interested, because I've never seen that kind of creature before. Neither by Aloud Anderson. Oh, and there's an arrow here that says, the land of this and that. Once upon a time, there were two kinds. This, a blue bunny, and that, a yellow bird. These, all the blue bunnies, and those, all the yellow birds. One or the other, until, oh, I see a little egg here, and it looks like it's about to hatch. I wonder what's going to hatch from this egg. Honk! Oh, well, that's the one that was on the cover. What kind are you? I'm both. You can't be both. You must be neither. I'm neither? Neither tried to play this game. Well, you can't play with us. You're not rabbity enough, because actually neither doesn't have legs that are good for hopping. Neither tried to play that game. You can't play with us. You're not birdie enough. And he's looking because his tail doesn't really work very well for swatting. Why don't you find somewhere else? You're not one of us. You're neither. Neither, neither, neither. How must neither be feeling right now? I know what you're thinking. You're thinking that was not very kind of them. And here's neither flying all over the lands to look for somewhere to go. But that's where he was born, so he must not know where he could go, if that's where he hatched and that's where he thought he belonged. Where did you come from? Honk! I'm from the land of this and that, but I'm neither, so I'm looking for somewhere else to fit in. This isn't somewhere else, but you will fit in here. Where is here? I wonder what this land is called. So many different kinds, the land of all. And the creature that greeted him was a cat with butterfly wings. And there's all sorts of different animals here. Can you look at them and see how different they are? They're not all quite exactly the same. I even see a bumblebee with a cattail. Come play with us. But I'm different from everyone here. I'm neither red, nor orange, nor yellow, nor blue. Exactly, they said. And it looks like these friends don't mind if you're not this or that or just like them. Excuse us, we're from the land of this and that, but we don't fit in at home. We are looking for somewhere else. But you said I was neither. You said I should go somewhere else. Oh, they look a little ashamed of themselves, don't they? Well, this isn't somewhere else. This is the land of all, and everyone fits in here. Once upon a time there were many kinds, this and that, somewhat and what not. Either and very, sort of and just, rather, a little, neither, and both. And all were welcome. Now, when you think about this story, would you rather live in the land of this and that, or would you rather live in the land for all? Now, this story, I really liked it because the personal connection I made, and that's another good thing that we have to do when we listen to a story. What is the connection that you have to a story? What is something that happened in the story or something in the story that reminds you of something that happened in your life or something that you can connect with? I can connect with this because Mrs. Youssef is also kind of like neither. I'm actually both. My mother was from Korea and my father is American, but his grandfather came from Scotland. So when I grew up, I wasn't a this or a that. I felt like I was both, but sometimes I would go around some people and they would make me feel like I was neither. So that's the connection I had. I really felt that this story made me feel like, yes, I would rather always be in the land for all, and that kindness and acceptance, and we should always see other people and value what their differences are, and know that when we're different, that doesn't mean that we can't be with each other. It just means that we can appreciate and celebrate our differences together and all be friends. And that's what I love about my class, is that you guys always treat each other with kindness, and you always feel like this is a classroom family and that we all belong here. And I do miss you all so much. Until the next story class, see you again. Bye.